Ene mikawa mwena wa Naivasha mena kirigiro kinene kia wonjorithia wao mahinda-ini maya ma mambura ma kirithimathi makiuga mwaka muhituku ni wagomeirwo ni mathina ma kiuteti.
This season it looks better because last year we had issues with elections, repeat elections, so people were actually afraid to go out and celebrate because we didn't know what will happen after that.
Ariguo akenya ni moritio kuhimbiria ugendi wa guku thiini wa bururi gukirikana ona riera ni riagiriru kahinda-ini gaka.
And people have been filling in for the Christmas. We like the booking so far, and we encourage people to come from all over Kenya. Naivasha is a good place. The weather is lovely. I hope it will have changed. It will be sunnier by the time Christmas gets here next week.
Ginyagia thaa ici muigana wa aria mendekithĩtie gukorwo magikinya mwena uyu makinyitie gicunjĩ kia 95 harĩ igana muigana-ini wa mikawa eno.
Period right now we have about 95% occupancy, and we are expecting maybe by the end of the week we'll have booked the remaining 5%. And therefore we can say it is a good season for us.
Iria ria Naivasha na wingi wa mikawa ni mamwe ma maria magucagiriria agendi itura-ini riri. Handu-ini ha metha ya mohoro ya Kameme njitikaga Njuguna Wang'ang'a.